Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make this chicken stir fry with vegetable. So let's get started. Here are the vegetables that I'm going to use. I'll be using some green bell pepper, red bell pepper, some carrots, ginger, garlic, onions, and some potatoes. I'm just going to go ahead and prep all these vegetables that you're seeing here. For the ingredients, I'm going to be listing everything that I use for this recipe. I will leave it in the description box below. You can check it out if you want to make this recipe. If this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. My name is Shade. Please, if you like what you see, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And you can as well please kindly subscribe to my channel if you have not already done that. I'll be very appreciative if you do that, and set the notification bell to all. In that way you will never miss any of my upcoming videos that I'm going to be uploading on this channel. Thank you. So now I'm going to be cooking my potatoes. I don't want to overcook this potato. I just want to cook it not fully cooked. Let's say about 70% cooked. Then I'm going to set it aside. I'll be adding some salt. Here are all my vegetables nicely chopped. I'm just going to keep it for me to use later. Here is my chicken breast that I'm going to use for this recipe. I'm going to be checking on my potatoes. Now the potatoes is okay like this because I don't want to overcook my potatoes. I'm going to be putting it inside a bowl. I'll put the bowl inside cold water to stop the cooking process, because you don't want your potato to be too soft before you start using it for your stir fry. So now I'm going to be using my kitchen napkin to dry up all the water in my chicken breast. I'm going to be slicing my chicken into a tiny pieces. You can slice your chicken to any kind of shape you want, any kind of size. This is just the size that I want. I'm going to be marinating my chicken with some lemon, I'll be adding some black pepper, chicken stock, soy sauce, salt, garlic, ginger. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then I will use my hand to marinate everything very well. Then I will leave it for about 30 minutes. I'll cover it and leave it for 30 minutes. But you can do your own in the evening and leave it throughout the night. But because I want to make this for our dinner, so I'm just going to be leaving it for 30 minutes. I'm going to be stir frying my chicken now. As you can see, I did not add any oil into my pan. That is why, because I'm using no sticking pan. But if you want to use any other pan apart from this, you can add a little amount of olive oil into your pan so that the chicken will not stick to your pan. For my old returnees, Thank you for always coming back. I really appreciate. Thank you so much and God bless you. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share it to your friends and family. Thank you. The chicken is ready. I'm going to set it aside for later. I'm going to take a kitchen napkin to clean off my pan. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'll add my garlic, ginger. I'm going to stir it and allow it to saute for 1 minute because you don't want your garlic to get burnt. If not, it will be bitter. I'll be adding vegetable stock, salt, and I'm going to stir everything together. Then I'll add the carrots. I will allow the carrot to cook for just few seconds before I will add the other vegetables. That is the green bell pepper, the red bell pepper, onions. I'm going to stir everything together. I will allow the vegetable to stir fry for just 3 minutes because I don't want to overcook my vegetable and I want mine to be a little bit crunchy. I'll add half tablespoon of soy sauce and I'll stir everything together. I'm going to stir everything together. I'll make sure that I mix everything together properly. Then I will add my potatoes. I'll stir all of them together as well again. I'm going to be adding the chicken. Then I'll make sure that I stir everything together properly. Then you leave it to stir fry for another 3 minutes. Then it's done. Guys, this recipe was so delicious. So delicious. I don't know how to explain it. You can give it a try for yourself and see. If you have watched to this moment, thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Here is the end result. This recipe was so delicious, as you can see, looks so beautiful. The vegetable was a little bit crunchy. The potatoes were so good. They are not soggy. So guys, you can give it a try and let me know. So at this point, I'm going to leave you and I'll see you again in my next video with another delicious recipe. I love you all guys. Bye bye. Ciao.